Okay, we're going to be doing Rua de Évora, and I just want to show you a little bit of things. They're getting ready for the typhoon here, so we'll show you like all the guard rails, all the tape up on the windows over there. We'll kind of walk down here and just kind of see how people are preparing a little bit on the eve before this big typhoon. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Here we go, Rua de Évora. So they got, actually these are kind of good storm guides anyways. And looks like some of these are already shut down already. We're just gonna walk across real quick. Then you can see the Bank of China, they have their tape up already as well, and they got their guards down just to protect the windows. So when they can't protect it like that, they put the tape. So we got tape set up like that. I feel a little bit of wind coming right now, but it's still category 3, which is still pretty light. All the businesses are open, but some businesses are closed already and sending people home in preparation. A lot of people are getting money. I've been seeing that. All the banks have been pretty busy. Just kind of pass through here real quick. So yeah, they're getting prepared. You feel the wind coming in. So down that way is Cotai Strip. You can see some of the casinos, City of Dreams straight ahead. Yeah, now things are starting to move. It's kind of shaking a little bit. But actually we're not even, the typhoon hasn't come in yet. I mean, it's here, but we're at the peripheral part of it, I mean. But later this will be a lot worse. So we're just going to look and see what kind of preparation we can see on Rua de Évora at 8 o'clock at night. I'm just going to show you some of the streets. It's I'll put the date and the time down below. So we had a big typhoon 2 days ago, it's category 8, but this is going to be a much bigger one. And it's definitely really wide, so it feels like I might be going for quite a while. That might be confusing for, if I saw that tomorrow, I think it was the wind. Yeah, these boxes, hopefully they move these tonight. These will be halfway across the city by tomorrow if they don't. Hey, I see lots of tape on these windows, tapes on the bank windows there. Tapes all over this one. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty big storm. Yeah, there was a category 8 a couple of days ago and people didn't really have these kind of tapes like this one. So I think we're expecting it to last a while, plus lots of storm surge. But we're in a high elevated area right here, so we're probably not going to experience that so much at this particular location, but okay. All right. There's a big supermarket down that way. Yeah, we don't really know what to expect, so I don't know when I'm going to upload this one, but this is Rua de Évora. The Sunflower City Park right over there. And we're going to walk down that way towards Fortress. Okay. Let's just keep on walking through. Oh, got rice burgers there. I'm also not sure when I'm going to upload this video either. I got a lot of other videos to upload, and I think there's going to be a lot of stuff happening pretty soon, so. Kind of debating how I'm going to film this. Probably wait until tomorrow morning and start doing some more filming. I think it might be category 8, so we'll see what things look like. But so far it's pretty normal. There's a big supermarket in here. A lot of things are still open. A lot of people getting a little bit prepared for it. Fortress. I think we're gonna end this video. Let's see if we can just run across real quick. Maybe not a good idea. Okay. So I think what we'll be doing is ending this video. And got to see Rua de Évora at nighttime. Got to see a little bit of preparation for the typhoon. But as I get down here, it feels a little bit different. And I'll probably be filming more in the evening instead. In the morning, I mean. Let's see. Yeah, that one's not prepared. That one's not ready at all, but maybe they're okay. Okay. We'll see. We're at the corner of Rua de Coimbra. It's kind of, this is really windy right here. So the wind kind of picks up, so maybe the way the wind's coming in, I can feel the rain and the wind right here. So that's a little spot where you just don't really feel it at. But yeah, as I've been walking around a little bit, there's certain areas that have a lot more strong wind feelings, and this is one of them right here. A bit of rain coming in, so the way the wind comes down here, these will probably be, they seem like they're more prepared. The wind is stronger. Anyways, we're gonna end this one. Sunflower City Park. It's kind of a popular way for circulation. So they'll do that and they get circulation in their blood. So you see that with the older people a lot. Rua de Évora. So there's Rua de Évora right there.
Toma cuidado, la voz